Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants around the world. Today I have for you an unboxing. I am going to unbox Lootcrate, and I am pretty sure that this is $24.99. I will put it on the screen if I am wrong. Well, I'll put it on the screen regardless. But I do have a small disclaimer. So last month, I don't know what is going on with Lootcrate, but their delivery is really off. So when I unboxed Lootcrate last month, it was my first time ever unboxing it. I really didn't know a lot about it. I was just like, oh, let's get this on my channel. You know, just because it was something new and I wasn't aware. Well, a viewer informed me that the box, even though I unboxed it the very day that I got it, which was sometime in March, it was actually February's box. I had no clue. And Lootcrate is running behind. This is actually March's box. So I don't know what their deal is, but this is in the middle of April and I'm getting March's box, or I should say my husband is getting March's box. So let's go ahead and get into this. Now, I still don't know a lot about this subscription other than I believe that it's $24.99 a month and that they're running extremely late on delivery. But it's like I don't want to offend anybody, but I guess it's like a geek box or a nerd box. I don't know. Even though there are still some things in this box that I genuinely like. You know, like if my husband gets the t-shirts in his size, I'll wear them. But generally the t-shirts that come in here are either in my husband's size or my son's size because they share the things that are in this box. So if I don't have the details on everything when I'm going through and editing after my husband gets home, I will have him help me with some of the information. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And this is what the inside looks like. And apparently you can like unfold these boxes or like take them apart or whatever, and then they make something else. So I'm not entirely sure what this makes. I guess some sort of a spacecraft. I don't know. Like I said, it's not really my genre, but I do want to open the box. Now, I'm going to dig down here on the bottom because my husband informed me that it comes with, it used to come with a book, I guess, but now it comes with a pamphlet. So March 2019, and the theme is cosmic. And then it kind of tells you what is in the box. It does not look like the prices are broken down or anything, so it's just the box. So also I dug out of the bottom is a little poster, and that's Captain Marvel. Now, we did go and see this in the movie theater, and I thought it was a really good movie. I especially like the soundtrack. I remember pointing out to my husband that I was wondering who their target audience was because the soundtrack was set in the early 90s. So I don't know, I thought it was a cool movie. Moving right along, the next thing I am pulling out here is a mission log. So it looks like that. And okay, so it's just a blank little notepad. So that's cool. Let's see what this is. It is an exclusive Lost in Space Jupiter 2 notebook. When exploring the unknown, it's essential to record your findings for future examination. This Lootcrate edition Lost in Space Jupiter 2 notebook is a perfect companion for taking notes in the field, recording new discoveries, and even uncovering shape-shifting alien robots. Okay, so this is from Lost in Space, Jupiter 2. Okay, next I am pulling out, let's see, this just says a mystery cosmic tea. This month's Cosmic Crate comes equipped with a Looter favorite t-shirt from Lootcrate. So I'm assuming that there are multiple t-shirts that you can get, and this is what we got. And this actually looks like it's in my son's size. So it says, danger, terrifying space monkeys. I have no idea what that's from, so yay me. The next thing I am pulling out here is an exclusive alien face hugger face towel. Okay, so that is what this looks like. And it has a face hugger on it, and then the little loop thing is its tail. So that's kind of neat. The rag feels, well, the face towel feels very, I don't know, not very soft, but I'm sure my son will use it. I mean, he's a boy, he doesn't really care about the feeling of washcloths. So the next thing I am pulling out here is an exclusive cosmic pen. And it looks like this. And it says, light your path through the galaxy with this exclusive glow-in-the-dark cosmic pen. This Lootcrate branded accessory seamlessly combines fashion and function, creating the perfect addition for any explorer. So there is that. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I don't want to lose it. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is a Captain Marvel 3D comic standee. That's kind of cool. So I finally got that out of the box. So this is what that looks like. That's kind of cool. Okay. That was Lootcrate for the month of March. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. See you next time. Bye. I don't know why I keep forgetting to do this, but quick disclaimer, next month is my birthday month. I will not be able to upload as often as I have been doing, just because my birthday month is filled with a lot of birthday things. I'll be 43 years old this year, and I'm looking forward to a new year, a great year, but you know, I might just have to upload multiple videos in a day or whatnot. I'll still do the same amount of videos, I just won't get them up like I have been getting them up. So, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.